Okay, madam. What if after this crying, your son turns up and calls you on the phone and tells you what happened? Eh? It's okay.
Let him call me. I will gladly receive him. Let him call me. Let him call me, officer.
First thing first. You said you are suspecting somebody.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So why are you suspecting this person?
Because he has threatened to kill my son. He has abducted my son before and threatened to kill him next time. Yes.
This is serious.
Yes.
Well, why would he do that?
My son and his daughter are in love and he doesn't support the relationship. That's why. That's why he has threatened to kill my son.
It's okay. Let's not jump into conclusions now, okay? You know how the law works. We have to give it 24 hours. Eh? Then after 24 hours, by this time tomorrow, if he doesn't come back, then I will send my men to arrest this man for questioning. Okay?
Officer, wait. You mean I should wait till tomorrow before I know my son's whereabouts? My son, if I don't know where my son is, you said I should wait till tomorrow. Hey!
Just hold on,
officer,
okay?
No.
Okay? After 24 hours. Please.
No. I don't think I can wait. Do something, officer. Do something. Kenda, where are you? He came. Why have you not reached out to me and I can't reach you? Where are you? I can't do anything. I can't think. I can't live without you. Don't you know it? It's so sweet though. Ikenna, the DPO said you were waiting for me at home. He said you will still come back. Look at the time. This is past 1 a.m. midnight. And you are yet to return. Ikenna, how can you do this to me? Ikenna, you are yet to return by this time of the night. Ikenna, where are you? Ikenna, come back to me. How can you comfortably stay at that place, knowing fully well that you have an aged mother who will neither eat nor sleep? If you are not home, tell me. Ikenna, tell me. Ikenna, come back to me. Do you want me to die before you return? Ikenna. Ikenna, do you want me to die before you return? Ikenna, you are the only thing I have in this world.
You may be doing evil today.
Madam, you said he did not come back yesterday.
I did not see him, oh. I did not see my son. I did not see my son.
Now you have a case. You know, I'm going to send my men to this certain man's house. Stop crying. Stop crying. I will handle this case myself personally.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Constable, get me Sergeant John to my office. Right away, okay? Come down, okay? We're gonna handle it.
Attention, sir.
Sergeant John.
Sir.
You are going to follow this woman to a certain man's house. You are going to arrest him for threat to life and illegal adoption of a civil citizen. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Make it clean.
Okay, sir. And now, shall we?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem. No
Thank
problem.
you, sir. Officer, let's go.
Mr. Man, you are under arrest for threatening of life and abduction of a civil citizen. And I would advise you that you remain silent, for whatever you say may be used against you in the court of law.
Yes. Let's go. Police station. Officer, arrest him.
Is it me? Me?
Yes, sir.
Madam.
Yes, sir.
The two raggedly dressed half policemen without uniform have come to arrest me.
Sure. Officers, what are you waiting for? Take this man away. Let him go and provide my son.
Sir, it will be of great interest to follow us. Else we apply physical force.
Yes. Force him.
Let's go, sir.
Force him.
Let's go. Let's go.
Is the DP aware that you are here?
Sir, he's the one in charge of this case.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
As you wait a minute. Yes. Excuse me.
Please be fast about it.
Hello? Nwoke m.
Onye ka nkene? Gaga yogu. Anu kife. Anu kpọrọ nkụ na-eje ọnụ. Ichamadi emene. Ichamadi eme. Ichamadi himself. Hey.
Even amazing. Huh? Your men are in my house. And they said you sent them to come and arrest me.
Me? How? When? I don't understand.
They are here with one fat woman. Huh? That is like Popo. She's alleging that her son is missing.
Oh. I'm so sorry. I didn't know you were the one she was talking about. Iche, just give me a minute. I'm going to clear it.
Clear quite the mess. Clear the mess.
Sir, let's go.
Officers, what are you still waiting for? Let's go out.
Sir,
take this man out of here.
I wouldn't want to, for the sake of your age, I wouldn't want to disrespect you.
Let's go.
Excuse me.
Officer, what are you still waiting for? I don't know what you're waiting for. Let's go.
Okay. Hello, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, as we speak with you, we are at the corporate house. Yes, sir. You say? Okay, sir. All right, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Officer, please, let's go. We are wasting too much time here. Take this man out of here.
Madam, you're under arrest.
Me under arrest?
Madam, you are under arrest.
How?
And for defamation of character.
Me?
Yes, madam.
How?
Officer,
take what did I commit?
Madam, let's go. Let's go, madam. You're under arrest. Let's go.
See? Yeah. Onye biale to agwo atonwa.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm not going anywhere with you. Am I the one that did me or ask you to arrest? I'm not going anywhere. Let me be. Let me be. Let me be. Let me be. I don't believe her. You don't do your job. You want to call the police. Arrest me.
It's like when you
arrest me for what? Arrest me for what? Just arrested me. Instead of the man that kidnapped my son, leave me
Why are you so wicked? Why are you so mean? Why are you this mean? You kidnapped that woman's son. She came here to arrest you. You turned around and arrested her. What happened to your conscience? Where is your conscience? A woman that is crying for the disappearance of her only son. This is what you do to her. Hey, you are doing all of this because you feel like you're untouchable in this village, Okuya. You are doing all of this because you have the government in your pocket, Okuya. Don't worry. Don't worry, you are not bigger than God. God is bigger than you. God. Don't worry, God will judge you. God will punish you. Don't worry.
The Butago. I very know one. Opugo. See, when you are running after a snake, pursuing a big giant snake, be very, very careful. Be very, very careful, because the snake will certainly turn round. Eat your paw. No, gay. I will go.
I just hope you know what you're doing.
Anything you ask to say, you will say. Anything you ask to do, you will do. What you for money.
I said it. Not from one source. 2 sources.
What is this woman's offense? I ask you, Oga DPO, what is her crime? An innocent woman comes to report the missing of her only son. She has a clue of who the kidnapper is. Instead of you to arrest the culprit, you turn around to arrest an innocent woman. Well, guess what? The culprit is my father. He is seated at home. He is supposed to be the one that is arrested. So you will release that woman to me immediately.
Watch your mouth, young lady. Who are you to command me?
Okay, you must think I am joking with you. I have my phone with me. I am going to video you right now. My friends are also outside. They all have their phones ready. We will tell the whole world exactly what happened in your office today. How you decided to detain an innocent woman who did nothing wrong. So you will release her to me. Else, the video I will make of you, I will post it on social media and trust the blogs. They will drag you left and right.
Wait, young lady, wait. We will release her. Just wait.
Better for you. That's how you people go about intimidating people.
Constable, release that woman. Bring her to my office. Okay, thank you. It's okay.
Don't tell me it's okay.
She's on her way. She's coming. Please, she's coming. Take it easy. Take it easy. Okay. Just take it easy. She's on her way. Okay.
You! It shall never be well with you. You will never see any good thing in this life. I came and reported to you that my son was missing. Instead of you to arrest the man behind the sudden disappearance of my son, you arrested me instead. You will never see good thing in this life. It shall never be well with you.
Now, it's okay now. We have released you. Start going.
I should go without my son. Where's my son? Where's my son? Where's my son?
Mama, please. You know they don't have your son here. So please, let us go.
Go. I should go without Ikenna.
Don't worry.
Where's Ikenna?
We'll find him.
Is he at home?
Don't worry, Mama. Let's just go.
My daughter, thank you very much. God bless you. Oh, God bless you. At least I've gained my freedom.
Your son will also gain his freedom, Mama. I promise you, he will come back here alive. Oh, Biko, stop crying.
Are you sure he is still alive?
Hey, Mama, stop saying that. Stop talking like that. Nothing will happen to your son.
Biko, are you sure?
I am very sure. My father will not kill him. I'm sure he's doing all these things just to scare him away from me. That is all.
Please, my daughter, help me. Oh,
I will help you.
me.
Don't worry.
He is the only thing that gives me joy.
Mama, I know. I
So
know. Mama, stop crying now. I promise you, your son will come back here alive, unharmed. Because just go in and freshen up and rest. Oh, I will make sure that your son comes back. Please stop crying.
I will not cry.
I will get to work. I will make sure he comes back. Let me go. Stop crying, stop crying.
I will not cry. I will try.
So stop treating people bad. Don't hate anyone in this life. Just for your own selfish interest. Makanowa, Sirike, Uwahabarabaniyo, Makanowa, Sirike.
My father is very heartless. God, I don't know if I should keep crying for my love, my Ikem that I haven't seen in 2 days. Or I should cry about his poor mother. That woman has suffered the highest form of injustice. This is not fair.
It's okay. Stop crying. Everything will be fine.
God, it is not okay. When is everything going to be fine? When? You know what? I am not going back to my father's house again. I am not going back there because what kind of a father is that? I mean, why would God give me such a wicked man as a father? Why?
My dear, you don't have to blame God. Nobody chooses the family he or she is born into.
Whatever the case is, I am not going back to his house. He is no longer my father. Go. Can I just stay here with you?
No. No, I don't want your father's trouble.
Go, you're supposed to be my friend. You're supposed to be supportive.
Yes, I'm your friend. You just told me how evil your father is. And how he enjoys ghost immunity in this village. The same way he threatened Iken and his mother was the same way he threatened me. I don't want to be his next victim, please.
Go, who is going to tell him? He's not going to know I'm here.
Amara, can you let yourself talk? Please, I don't want problem. Please. Please.
Okay. No problem. I'll go. But just know that I am not going back to my father's house. Anywhere I see, I'll stay. The bush, the road, anywhere but my father's house.
Amara, wait. Come on, let's talk about how to help Ikenna regain his freedom instead. Please, come on, sit down.
What are you talking about?
I know of a hideout where your father's men used to take their victims to.
You do?
One day, my mother sent me to Ila Forest to fetch Anunebe for her. I searched for the leaf until I was in the deepest part of the forest. Where are they taking him to? Hey!
Somebody help! Super! Somebody help! Help! Somebody help! Oh my goodness! Somebody help! Somebody help! Help! Somebody help!
That was how I saw them that day.
Hey!
Let us go to the police and... No. We must go to the vigilante. Let us go and report to them and take them to this place and rescue him.
But how are we sure they took him there?
Because you just said to me that you saw them take a victim there. It is just common sense that is where they keep all their victims. Let us go and rescue him. There's no time.
Let's just go and find out if he is there first and then look for a way to help him.
Yes. Then let us go.
God. Hey, Jesus Christ. This is where my father keeps his victim.
Yes.
This man is very wicked. This man is the devil. See, we need to be very careful here, okay? How do we go about this mission now?
Yes, that's true. I think we should just hide somewhere, wait a while, and observe the environment, see who goes in and who comes out.
You're
then
right.
we'll go in and...
You're right. You're right. Just...
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Who's it? Who's there? You have to come and kill me. Kill me. Kill me. Kill me.
Jesus Christ. So sorry. I'm sorry.
What are you doing?
Let's go.
What did you know of me?
What's up? You people are musician. What's up? Come on. Make you be sitting outside a thing like this.
Yeah, see, a person say this guy don't fit escape by himself.
How manage? Where you come back now?
Yeah.
What's you go do now?
Too rich.
Guy, this guy don't fit escape from this place. We will go find her. Because at this time, I'm going to again.
No time.
We will go find her like this.
Obiama joka, onye furu obiama banaka. Obiama joka, onye furu obiama banaka. Poverty is bad. Poverty will make you not to know your rights anymore.
Come and sit. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Is this Thank God you are alive.
God, I am so happy. I'm so happy. Like, you don't understand. You have done so much for me. You have shown me what a great friend you are. Thank you so much.
I'm so happy to see you happy. You know, I felt very bad all this while you were crying and wished I could help. Thank God I was able to help.
Yes, you have helped. Thank you so much. You know, right now I can go home, rest my head, knowing that my Ikemi is fine. All thanks to you. Thank you.
You're welcome. What are friends for?
All right, I'll let you go, but we must celebrate later.
Yes.
I'm going to take care.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Upper Bimo, na my lover. Upper my head, na my lover. Upper Rocket, na my lover. Love be my man, na my lover. Upper Bimo, na my lover. Love at face, na my lover. Only go be my, na my lover. Another na cook, na my lover. Upper Bimo, na my lover. Upper my head, na my lover. Love be my man, na my lover. Upper Rocket, na my lover. Upper Bimo, na my lover. Upper my head, na my lover. Love be my man, na my lover. Upper Rocket, na my lover. It's you on the other.
Where has your daughter gone to?
I have not seen her.
You want to come near here? They see my benwano. You know there are Zade.
I have not seen her. Are you asking me now? Oh, you're now asking me. In Ajum. Eh? Inyu kowa. Bawam pampa rogini ne pacha. Ina achoni gebu ye nisi. In Ajum ebono.
Ona kwa na-eso okwu. Ajụjụ ka m jụrụ. I just asked the question. Ah. Where could this girl have come to? Where?
I serve a God who never fails. I serve a God who never fails. He never fails. He will never fail forevermore. Hey, my God never lost a battle. Because my God is the greatest of the greatest. He is the highest of the highest. No man can take the glory of God. No politician can take the glory of... Papa, sorry. I serve a God that is bigger than every politician. I serve a God that is bigger than man. No man can take his glory. All the glory belongs to God. No man can take God's glory. Glory to God. Glory to God. Glory to God. Hey.
Where is this one coming from? Come on. I hope this girl has not started attending all these white garment churches. Where is this glory coming from? Or somebody injected glory into her skull? What kind of nonsense is this? What is this house turning to? The mother is pushing me here. The daughter comes in glory, wants to push me down. Ah, it will not work for them all. It will not work for them. Devil, I reject it. I reject it. Any attempt to push me, the lion. Ah, it will not work. Oga work can kuno. It will not work. It will not.
God, I thank you. I thank you for bringing back my son alive. May all the glory, majesty, adoration, praises, worship be unto you alone, forever and ever in Jesus' name. Hey, Nna. So they left you there all alone?
Yes.
But why didn't you shout? Huh? People might hear your voice and come to rescue
Mama,
you.
I didn't know I was alone. I was blindfolded until Amarangozi came to rescue me.
Look when Mama Takeda Abiko. This is Mama. Eh? Oh, how did they know that you were there?
I have no idea. I was going to ask the same question. I was very surprised.
That girl is a good child. You see that Amara? She's a very good girl. I don't know why she came from the loins of a wicked man. That Ichie is a very wicked man. Do you know that I went to the police station to make a report? I got there, I requested to see the DPO myself. And the DPO ordered his boys to come with me and arrest Ichie. On reaching there, the case turned against me.
Turned against you how?
Ichie called the DPO on phone. I didn't know what they discussed over the phone. The next thing I saw was the DPO called his boys that came with me and ordered them to arrest me instead of Ichie.
Arrest you? Why? Why are people so wicked?
The same question I'm asking myself. You see that Ichie? He's very wicked. A very wicked man. Only God in heaven will judge him. That man is very, very wicked. If not that this same Amara followed us to the police station, I would have been in the police cell by now. You wouldn't have met me at home. That is, people are very wicked. You see that Ichie? Only God will judge him. That man is a very wicked man. But I'm happy you are back. I'm happy you are back home alive. Hi. Thank God. I thank God for your life.
Now see, as this matter be now, we got to tell Chief what is up.
We got tell him. We got tell him because like this now we no get choice. We got break the news give him. How did you escape now?
Shango, you don't F up. Shango, you don't F up full time. Yeah.
How manage? Hi.
Shango. Yes.
Ichie, there's trouble, oh.
What trouble now?
He escaped.
What?
Yes, I think some people came and set him free while we were away. And we have searched for him everywhere. We've not seen him.
Shango, which kind of them this now? Okay, bye.
Hello?
Is it all?
Don't cut call.
Hi! Oh, this one a F up. Oh. This one a better F up like this. Oh. Guy, we need to go and find them. We need to keep going. Don't give up.
This must be the handwork of my daughter. I underestimated her capabilities. Huh? She's a lioness. She comes from the loins of a lion. So, a lioness. I didn't count on that. Anyway, the lion must prove that he is a lion. Yes.
Mama.
I hope you like the food.
It's nice.
Hi. You kidnapped my son.
Mama.
What about your relationship with Amara?
Mama, after what happened today, my love for Amara became stronger. And I've decided to be with her for the rest of my life. I don't care what happens.
That girl is a very nice girl. Me too, I fell in love with her after what she did today.
Mama, I told you, she's going to make a good daughter-in-law.
Yes. But what about her father's threat?
Mama, I don't know. Like I said, I love her so much. I don't care what happens. I don't care what her father does. I'm ready to be with her for the rest of my life, even if I die.
You will not die. You will not die. Amara is a very good girl. I love her so much. You will not die. God will eventually make a way. I love Amara so much.
Come rain, come sunshine, you are the best thing that has happened to my life. Up will be more. Now my lover, up on my heart. Now my lover, up will rock it. Now my lover, not be my mind. Now my lover, up will be more. Now my lover, love at face. Now my lover, only go be mine. Now my lover,
I come in peace. We need to talk as daughter and father.
Talk about what?
The DPO called me. He said you talked so harshly to him, insulted him, and also said so many unspeakable things about me.
Yes, I did. That is because you are not a good man. Same goes for him.
Easy. It's okay. Amara, I want us to end every quarrel that's been between us tonight, here and now. Nem, I love you. I love you very deeply. I love you as a daughter. I need the best for you. Since you said that boy is the only thing in your life and that without him nothing works for you, I give in. You can have him. Yes.
Are you being serious?
Cross my heart.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Father. Thank you so much. But one more thing, Father.
Yes.
His phone. Your boys, they still have his phone. Can they give it back to him, please?
First thing tomorrow morning, his phone will be returned to him.
Oh, thank you, Daddy! Thank you so much. This means a lot to me. Thank you. I love you. Yes.
Mogo. See your phone. Mogo. Try him next time.
It's you or no other person, my love. Apuruna buragio bibi, love wabwako maka ibi funanyam.
Why is he returning my phone?
Come rain, come sunshine, you are the best thing that has happened to my life. Onyekemo, Upper be more. Now my lover, upper my heart. Now my lover, upper rocket. Now my lover, not be my mind. Now my lover, upper be more. Now my lover, love at face. Now my lover, only go be more. Now my lover, another
Ngozi!
Now my lover, upper
Ngozi! Ngozi! Come. What is it? Ngozi, we have made it! Okay, calm down. So, my father came into my room last night and told me that he has given me his consent to be with Dikeh now! Yes! I am so happy! This is good news! How did this happen? I don't know. I'm so happy! Come, we have to celebrate! This time! Let's go!
forever. Nothing can change.
Always walking.
I have to work so I can raise enough money to take care of you.
I like the sound of that.
I know. You look very beautiful this morning. What's the secret?
Well, thank you. That is because I come bearing good news.
Good news? I'd like to hear it.
Okay. My father has finally given his approval for us to be together.
Are you serious?
Yes! I am so happy for us, babe. So we can finally be together.
No wonder they brought back my phone.
Oh! They already brought back your phone?
Yes, I was wondering why they brought it back.
You see? You see? We are free! Oh my God, I am so happy. No more hiding.
We have to celebrate.
Yes, we will.
Hold on, I'm coming.
No.
He has given up already.
Mama, I told you we're destined to be together.
I'm so happy. And I can't wait to have such a beautiful soul as my daughter-in-law.
Yes. Huh? Mama, we have to hurry up. We need to pay her bride price as soon as possible.
But are you ready for such a heinous task now?
Mama, but you said you're going to support me once I'm ready. I'm
Of course
ready.
I will. I will support you. I will support you, definitely.
Mama, I'll bring what I have. I'll add it to yours. And we're good to go.
Very well. There's no problem with it. We will do it. Hey, so finally happiness has found us.
Yes.
Chai!
I'm excited.
I'm so happy.
She's a good woman.
Such a good girl.
She's going to be a good wife.
Such a good girl. Amara.
Ichi Amadi sir, we are here with another 50,000. Please take this money and open our shop for us. It is from this shop that my family and I are getting our daily bread from. It is from this shop that will raise your balance. Just take this money and open the shop for us. We can, since you took that money from us and locked that shop, it has not been easy for us. We are just feeding from hand to mouth. Please.
Ishe Biko, we have 5 mouths to feed.
5?
Small children that are below the age of teen. If not for anything, even if it is because of those children, please have mercy on us.
Ichi Amadi, please, collect this money. Give us 1 month, just 1 month to raise your balance and pay you. Just, if we fail to provide your balance within this 1 month, just lock up that shop again and open it no more.
Yes. Please.
Please.
Let me have the money.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
50,000 naira, sir. It's complete.
Go and complete my balance. Now come to the shop. Open your shop now. I will not open that shop if my balance is not complete.
Ichi Amadi, is he not from the same shop that will raise your balance and pay you? Please open it and we'll sell, make sales and raise your balance.
Hey.
$1 million. $1 million.
Ishe, are you going to leave us like this?
Give me my complete money. Complete. I'll go to the shop now and open the shop. No balance, no open shop.
Ichi, please, consider us. Consider us.
Ichi, please don't do this to
Ichi,
us.
pity us. Open that shop so we can make some sales.
See, if you know where you got this money, go back there and get my balance. I will open the shop for you.
Ichi, this morning you are talking. If you know how I struggle to raise that money, you can't be telling me this. Ichi.
Ichie Amadi, Ichie,
please help us.
Don't us like this, so Ichie,
please.
Ichie, what manner of man is this, eh?
What are we going to do? Ishe, please come and give us the keys to our shop. Oh. Me, I'm not leaving this place, so I'm not leaving. We are not going anywhere. Instead of us to go and die in hunger in our house with our children, it is better for us to die in your house.
I don't know how on earth I got myself into this mess. Eh? How did I get myself? Oh God, if you can save me from this, if you can deliver me from the hands of Ichie Amadi, I will never take loan from anybody again. Never ever. Eh?
Ishe, please come and give us the keys to our shop. Ishe,
please. What is it? What is it? Why are you people disturbing the peace of my house? Eh? You don't have that right. See, let's take it easy. Let's take it easy. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up, both of you. Stand up. You see, okay. Your money is still in my hand, complete. Nothing missing. I can give you back this money. Complete like this. Follow you to the shop, unlock the shop. And even forfeit the balance. If you do one thing for me.
Ichie, if you can do this for us, we'll be very happy and we will show our gratitude.
Don't be faster than your shadow.
Good. Sorry, sir.
There is something you will do for me. Okay? And if you do it, I will do exactly what I said I would do. Yes.
Say it, Ichie Amadi. We will do it for you.
Ishe, do you want me to sweep your house, wash your clothes? Anything, I can do anything.
Take it easy. Don't run too fast. Are you sure?
I can do anything, Ichie Amadi. I can do anything at all to get myself out of this mess. So just say what you want us to do and consider it done.
Yes.
Okay. Both of you follow me. Come with me.
Why did you accept to do such a wicked thing in the sight of God?
It is not only in the sight of God, but it is both in the sight of God and man. But what would you have me do? What do you want me to do? Would you prefer we lose our children to starvation?
But you should have considered the repercussion. All these things have consequences.
I consider the repercussion and consequences, but God will understand. But you know I did not accept this in clear mind. It is out of hunger and frustration. You're supposed to know, even you're supposed to understand. So God will understand. There's nothing else I can do.
God, please forgive me.
Forgive us.
Forgive
Please
me.
forgive us, God.
It's my husband that dragged me into this.
What do you mean? Let's go home, please. Ike, Bobo.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Ike. How work?
I'm fine. How's your family?
Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Ike,
sir?
There is a problem I have in my house. The bulb in my bedroom, I think it developed some problem. I thought it burned, but I changed the bulb, but still nothing. So I need you to go and check it out for me.
Now?
Now, please. I'm going somewhere, so just go and
But
do
let's wait until you come back.
No, that room has been in darkness. As we speak, my wife needs the light in that room. She's even waiting for you already.
Your wife is there?
Yes, my wife is waiting for you. She will attend to you. Just go there and check it out, please.
And why not wait until I'll wait until you come back, then we can go together.
No, as we speak, my wife needs the light. In short, that's what prompted me to come and meet you before going. Please, go and check it out.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
Thank you very much.
Amara! Amara!
Honestly, where is she? She's in the middle of the room.
Amara!
My son! Hey, my son! Oh, give me my member. What is happening here?
I know you did not do it. Tell me you did not do it. Ikenna!
I have been framed up.
I know it!
I knew it. I knew it. I knew he would not be able to do anything like this. He's innocent. People want to kill him.
So my son, they framed you up. They want to kill you for me. Ichi Amadi, look at what you are doing to my son.
Woman, stop shedding those crocodile tears. This boy did the act. In fact, he was caught in the act.
Red-handed. Red-handed.
I know what he can do.
I suggest you take him to the police station for them to charge him to court.
Yes.
No problem, Igwe.
I am expecting a very important visitor, so I won't have time for this case.
Yes, better.
It's okay.
Igwe. No! No! Mbana. Igwe Mba. How can police? Don't we know what police will do? Police will accept bribe. Police will take a bribe. And then release the boy. Nothing will happen. No justice there.
Hey.
Igwe, we have the traditional way of doing things. The age-old tradition. Let us handle it that way. What happens to somebody who does this kind of a thing in the traditional way?
Igwe, he shall be stoned to death.
Igwe, he's a rapist. Igwe,
No.
give the order. Give the order, leave the rest for us.
I just told you that I'm expecting someone. He's here already.
My friend, what is going on in your palace?
Welcome. Welcome to my palace.
Thank you.
Let's go inside.
Janet.
Orimiri.
Orimiri ata.
Both of you know each other?
Yes.
You mean both of you know each other?
Yes.
She served in my late father's palace as a maid. Where have you been?
I ran out of the village after everything I suffered in your hand.
My friend, what is going on here?
Son was accused of rape. He was brought to the palace for the king to decide his fate.
Caught in the act.
Huh.
Your son.
My son.
Our son.
Yes, our son.
How can you be pregnant? Just a little enjoyment we had. Other ladies in this palace does it with me, and none of them have said anything about pregnancy. Why will your own be different?
Prince, I told you to use protection that I was on my ovulation. Didn't I?
Will you shut up? Why will you ask a prince like me to wear rubber before having an affair with you? Don't you know it's a taboo?
My prince, please. My prince, now that pregnancy has resulted, please find a way. What do we do about it?
That is all of your business. And let me warn you, do not mention my name. Don't tell anyone, the king or the queen, that I am responsible for that pregnancy of yours. If you try it, I swear by all Maliko, I will strangle you to death.
Please,
Since you're pregnant.
Please, please. But I told him I was in my ovulation. And now he's scolding me. Never! I can't abort this pregnancy! I can't kill the very first fruit that will come out of my womb. I will run. I will go out of this village. I will go to my maternal home and have my baby here. And as for you, Prince Orimiri, one day you shall come looking for this baby. One day. Just one day.
I searched for you everywhere. After that, I married 3 wives. They all left me without a child. I seek for solution, but everywhere I went, they kept telling me of a woman that I got pregnant. Until I find the woman and her son, that I will never have a son of my own. And I searched for you. I searched for you until I got tired of searching. God. Son, Come to me. Come to your father, son.
Ikenna, go to your father. You have been asking me about your father all these years. Look at your father standing before you. Go to him. He is your father.
So I picked this one for my husband.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Wait, did I just say my husband?
Somebody's already feel like a married woman.
Yes, I picked it for my husband.
Okay.
So you know he's wearing white, so this one will look good.
Yeah.
And then
I'll pick.
this one. Do you think this one is too long?
Oh, yes.
This will be too short.
Oh, yes. It is a big thing happening here. This kind of event has never happened in this political space. My own daughter is getting married. Married to Prince Ikenna, the Crown Prince of Ijano town. Not just Crown Prince, he is soon to be made king of that town. So, Obro believe. Look, the day this thing is going to happen, I'm trying to draw the map for you. Big vehicles, convoys, project in my house. Senators will be there. Assemblymen will be there. Even chairmen of local government areas will be there. You know, I'm a political impresario. Would you believe that governors will even come here? Because my daughter is getting married. Just wait a minute. Police. Can't you see that we're busy here? My daughter is getting married.
Mr. Amadi, you are under arrest for aiding and abetting, kidnapping, and other related criminal offenses. For your own good, you have to cooperate with us. And more so, your men are with us in our van. Yeah, from here, we are going to Abuja.
What?
Are you surprised?
Abuja?
Are you surprised?
They're just the two of you. Wait a minute. Something big is happening here. You see my beautiful daughter. She's getting married to the prince, a prince. Wait. I need to make a call.
Move.
What is happening?
Give me. I said move!
What is it, please?
They have come to arrest the inhuman man we have as a husband.
Move already!
Move. Hold on. Let me call the DPO.
Oh, see, DPO.
You want us to use minimal force? I said move!
You cannot use force.
Move!
I'm a chief here, a political juggernaut.
I said move!
Mama, they have come to carry the inhuman man you married.
I am a political juggernaut.
He's going to Abuja.
My daughter's wedding.
I said move!
But you have to call
Move on!
What's happening?
all the politicians, the senators, call Mr. President, call anybody you want to call. Mama, if you give the DPO, Mama, come and relax. This is not DPO. If you want to call somebody, you better call the Inspector General of Police. Because it's Abuja. He's going to stay there.
Abuja?
Mama, we have wedding to plan. Come, let us talk about your judge. Your lace.
What a selfish man, Chief Amadi. Omeraka Niyagi, Omeraka Benaragi. A selfish man. Omaragi Warawo, Oswakwanya Nafio. Omaranchabu Mumajante. Because Sarah Chief Amadi. On your way. He's bad. Chief Amadi is dangerous. He has no mercy at all. A